Achieving a high level of sustainability is the new standard. Plataine is committed to manufacturers' sustainability efforts in their path to net zero. The goal is to reduce carbon footprint and improve the 3 Rs: reduce, reuse, and recycle, reducing material waste and scrap with optimized planning and smart material selection. Eliminating material scrap and write-offs by real-time digital monitoring of time-sensitive materials across the factory. Ensuring the reuse of short rolls and remnants from previous jobs. Recycling expired composite raw materials with digital thread technology. River Aerostructure Systems chose Plataine to digitize and optimize its production processes and improve their yields and sustainability KPIs.
Plataine helped us to improve our factory's level of sustainability while reducing our overall waste. We're achieving over 96% first-time yield on our ply kits and a reduction in the overall cycle time required to produce them. This is the future of our industry.